Hello students, we'll do the problem under the redemption of preference shares. This is the third problem. Already we have discussed two problems earlier. The third problem is, X Limited has 2011% redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid, which means the company has 2000 shares of rupees 100, which means you will be getting preference share capital as 2 lakhs. The next few informations are given, which is capital reserve, securities premium, general reserve and profit and loss account. Next is the preference shares were due to be redeemed at 10% premium, which means the company X Limited has decided to redeem the preference shares at the premium, right? So at 10% premium. The next is, as the divisible profits are inadequate, the company issued equity shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of 10% for redemption, which means that for the purpose of redemption, the company has to arrange fund through the divisible profits and next from the equity shares. Now, already we have discussed in the previous problems that in the problem itself will be given very directly about how many equity shares are being issued. But now, see this problem, the number of equity shares issued has not been given, which means that you have to calculate the number of equity shares issued, then do with the journal entries later. Now, we'll prepare the calculation for number of equity shares issued. Now, let the new issue of equity shares be X. We'll assume that equity shares as X. And now which is given, equity shares are issued at a discount of 10%. See the question, equity shares of rupees 10 each face value at a discount of 10%. So, equity shares are issued at discount. Now, that's what I have taken here as discount at 10% will be written as 10 by 100 and which is to be calculated on the equity shares. That's what I have written here as 10x by 100. And for the calculation of equity shares, you have to apply a formula. So this is the equation given. So in your left side, redeemable preference share capital plus premium on redemption. This is your left side, that should be equal to your right side is securities premium plus divisible profits plus X. X is your new equity shares minus rate of discount. Check your problem. The shares are issued at discount. That's what I have given as minus rate of discount. In case if the shares are issued at premium on this place, so taken the symbol as plus rate of premium. If it is discount, make it as minus. Now, we'll apply in the formula. Now, preference share capital, which is 2 lakhs, that is 2000 shares. See, 2000 shares of rupees 100 each is your 2 lakhs plus premium on redemption, which is 20,000 equals, this is formula equal, your securities premium. Now, check your problem. Securities premium is 6,000. That's what I written here as 6,000 plus divisible profits. Now, check your problem. What are the divisible profits are? General reserve and profit and loss account are your divisible profits. Capital reserve is not the divisible profits. Keep in your mind. So, only divisible profits are reserve fund or else general reserve, and next is your profit and loss account. So, that is 34,000 and 54,000. That is entered here, 34,000 plus 54,000 plus X. That is the new issue of equity shares we have to calculate. Minus rate of discount we have taken as 10x by 100. Right? Now, after you applied these amount, now we'll do the further calculation. So, 2 lakhs plus 20,000 is 2 lakh 20,000 equals. Now, add all these three items in your right side. So, 6,000 plus 34,000 plus 54,000, that is 94,000 plus you will be getting 0.90x. So, how do we get this 0.90x? I have given here, see this, x, we can write it as x by 1. I have given here x by 1 minus 10x by 100. Right? So, we'll calculate we'll do the cross multiplication. So when you do cross multiplication, so x into 100 is 100x minus, formula minus 10x divided by 100, which is whole divided by 100. So 100x minus 10x will be taken as, will be your 90x divided by 100. So 90x by 100 will be written as 0.90x. That's what I have written here as 0.90x. Now your right side we could see this 94,000. You have to calculate your x value. So bring your 94,000 to the left hand side. So when you change the side, so you have to change the sign even. So 2,20,000 minus 94,000 equals 0.90x. So when you do subtraction, you will be getting 1,26,000 equals 0.90x. So you have to calculate your x value. So we can write it as 1,26,000 divided by 0.90. So when you divide, you will be getting x value as 1,40,000. So what is this x value? X is your new equity shares. So that is new issue of equity shares is 1,40,000. So once you calculated your equity shares, calculate your discount. So discount is at 10%. Now calculate. So 1,40,000 into 10%, you will get 14,000 rupees. So now we have done the calculation for number of equity shares issued and discount. Now we'll pass the journal entries. So your first entry is preference shares capital redeemed, that is your due entry. So I said already, so apply this formula for your calculation purpose for your journal entries. Preference share capital, sorry this is wrong, preference shares capital plus premium equals preference share holders. Okay, so these capital plus premium will be payable to your preference share holders. So preference share capital is 2 lakhs, right? And your premium will be calculated at 10%. You will get 20,000 rupees. Now prepare the journal entry. Redeemable preference share capital account debit 2 lakhs, that is 2,000 into 100 rupees. And premium on redemption account debit 20,000 to preference shareholders account, which is 2,20,000, total of these two. Then second is the company issued the new equity shares at a discount, right? When the company issues a new equity shares, company receives the money, which means cash to be debited. So debit your bank account debit. Next is the company issued shares at discount. So enter in your debit side, discount on issue of equity shares account debit to equity share capital account. So equity share capital we calculated in the previous calculation, which is 1,40,000, and discount also you have calculated, which is 14,000. Subtract these two, the bank amount will be 1,26,000. Alright. Now your third entry is, now we'll make the arrangement of the fund. So when the company plans for the redemption purpose, company has to arrange fund for this. Now we'll arrange fund for the premium. So how much is the premium? So 20,000 has to be paid. So how come this amount will be paid? So premium will be paid through three ways. One is company has to utilize the current year premium. Check your problem. Current year there is no premium. Current year it is the shares are issued discount. So no current year premium. Second is the existing premium to be used. So which is given in your problem, existing premium is 6,000. So we'll utilize that amount. Securities premium account debit 6,000. Now see the problem. So premium 20,000 to be payable, but now how much we have fund is 6,000 rupees. Still how much to be arranged? 14,000 will be arranged through the divisible profits. So divisible profit, first you have to consider the profit and loss account. So that's what I have debited the profit and loss account. Your entry is securities premium account debit 6,000, balance 14,000 from profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit 14,000 to premium on redemption 20,000. Now the amount has been arranged for the premium, right? Now we'll make the arrange for the capital 2 lakhs. So how can we arrange? So one is through the equity shares, right? So how much amount of cash we received through equity? Only 1,26,000. Should not taken as 1,40,000 because remaining 14,000 is the discount. Discount means the company has not received any amount. The company has received just 1,26,000. So preference share capital to be arranged is 2 lakhs. Out of that, equity is 1,26,000, and balance how much to be arranged? 74,000 to be arranged through the divisible profit. So out of divisible profit means, so first use your profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit. Now which is given that profit and loss account is 54,000, but already for premium purpose we utilized 14,000 rupees. So balance how much will be available is 40,000. So now this 40,000, this amount will be used for the capital redemption. So profit and loss account debit 70,000. So still how much we need? Out of 74,000 we arranged fund for 40,000. Still we need 34,000 that will be used from the divisible profit. Another fund is the general reserve. Okay, so from the general reserve we'll utilize 34,000. That's it. So when any amount which are utilized from the divisible profits, same number of shares amount to be transferred to the capital redemption reserve account. So that's what I passed this entry. Profit and loss account debit 40,000, general reserve account debit 34,000 to capital redemption reserve account 74,000. Now the company has arranged fund for capital and the premium. Now once the fund has been arranged, pay this amount to the shareholders. Preference shareholders account debit to bank account. How much to be payable to preference shareholders? Which is 2,20,000. So amount has been paid. That's it. Thank you.